No, we do not digest the DNA of the foods we eat. When we consume food, our digestive system breaks it down into its constituent components such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. These macromolecules are further broken down into smaller units like amino acids, simple sugars, and fatty acids, which can be absorbed and utilized by our bodies. DNA, on the other hand, is a complex molecule that contains the genetic information of living organisms. It is not digested or broken down into its basic units in the same way as proteins or carbohydrates. Instead, the DNA from the food we consume is typically degraded and broken down into smaller fragments during digestion. These fragments are usually too large to be absorbed through the intestinal wall and enter our bloodstream. While some intact DNA may be present in the gastrointestinal tract temporarily, it is not assimilated into our own genetic material or integrated into our cells. The DNA fragments from the food we eat are eventually excreted in our waste. It's worth noting that there is ongoing research on the potential transfer of genetic material through the consumption of genetically modified organisms, GMO, but even in those cases, the DNA is not integrated into our own genetic material.